What? Read. What do you read? What do you read? I read books. I read books. When? Wake. When do you wake up? When do you wake up? I wake up early. I wake up early. Where? Work. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at home. I work at home. How? Run. How do you run? How do you run? I run fast. I run fast. Who? Help. Who do you help? Who do you help? I help my mom. I help my mom. Why? Save. Why do you save money? Why do you save money? I save money for travel. I save money for travel. What? Drink. What do you drink? What do you drink? I drink water. I drink water. How often? Exercise. How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? I exercise every day. I exercise every day. When? Study. When do you study? When do you study? I study at night. I study at night. Where? Ride. Where do you ride? Where do you ride? I ride in the park. I ride in the park. Who? Visit. Who do you visit? Who do you visit? I visit my family. I visit my family. Why? Practice. Why do you practice? Why do you practice? I practice to improve. I practice to improve. What? Eat. What do you eat? What do you eat? I eat pizza. I eat pizza. How long? Watch. How long do you watch TV? How long do you watch TV? I watch TV for 1 hour. I watch TV for 1 hour. What? Draw. What do you draw? What do you draw? I draw a picture. I draw a picture. Shop. Where? Where do you shop? Where do you shop? I shop at the mall. I shop at the mall. Who? Follow. Who do you follow? Who do you follow? I follow my coach. I follow my coach. Why? Run. Why do you run? Why do you run? I run to stay healthy. I run to stay healthy. What? Cook. What do you cook? What do you cook? I cook dinner. I cook dinner. How long? Wait. How long do you wait? How long do you wait? I wait for 1 hour. I wait for 1 hour. When? Play. When do you play? When do you play? I play after class. I play after class. Where? Fix. Where do you fix things? Where do you fix things? I fix things at home. I fix things at home. Who? Meet. Who do you meet? Who do you meet? I meet my teacher. I meet my teacher. Why? Study. Why do you study? Why do you study? I study to learn. I study to learn. What? Build. What do you build? What do you build? I build small houses. I build small houses. When? Arrive. When do you arrive? When do you arrive? I arrive at noon. I arrive at noon. Where? Paint. Where do you paint? Where do you paint? I paint at home. I paint at home. How far? Drive. How far do you drive? How far do you drive? I drive 5 miles. I drive 5 miles. Who? Teach. Who do you teach? Who do you teach? I teach my son. I teach my son. Why? Work. Why do you work? Why do you work? I work to earn money. I work to earn money.